Hello and welcome to TransAxle's Drivetrain Dispatch. I'm Mike Delmonico, Director of Operations, and this is the third in a series of informative videos. Today I'll be discussing our state-of-the-art testing capabilities. What sets our remanufactured transmissions apart from our competitors is that every unit is tested on one of our state-of-the-art dynamometers that include the most up-to-date electronic controls. This ensures that the unit functions properly fully under load. There's no gray area with our testing. It's either pass or fail. All results are saved and filed electronically, making your unit's history readily available in our system. We have 13 dynamometers company-wide, but today we're discussing our Hicklin dyno, located at our dedicated Allison facility. Here you'll see we have a Allison 1000 series loaded on our Hicklin dynamometer that is highly automated with very little manual interaction. Before we quickly walk you through each phase of our dyno testing, we want to point out that historically we've seen up to 50% of failures be within the torque converter in certain models. That's why you'll notice with our AT540, 1000 and 2000 series Allison transmissions, they include a brand new torque converter with each unit. Using brand new is the only logical way to go. This is our dyno test screen that displays all results as we run through each phase of the test. This portion shows the ohm test readings. At the beginning of each dyno test cycle, every electrical sensor on our world transmission line is ohm tested. This ensures proper connections and specifications of all the electronics. Secondly, we go through a stall test to check the operation of the converter and to ensure a proper stall is achieved. This also brings the transmission to actual operating temperature. Next is our gear ratio test. The dyno shifts through each gear to make sure the transmission meets proper standards per exact unit specifications. This area shows the line pressure results. If the transmission does not have the correct line pressure, it would have poor shift quality and would not have the ability to function under load. Throughout testing, cooler flow is monitored to ensure proper flow and cooling, and to provide unit lubrication so that the transmission does not overheat or burn up during testing or in the field. Next, we check the manual linkage operation and internal mode switch output readings, commonly known as the shift range sensor. This ensures proper OE specifications are maintained. This area of the screen shows the load portion of the test. Every transmission we remanufacture is dynamometer tested at full operating temperature and pressure to simulate the stress of use and make sure all the components can carry proper loads. We want to see how the unit works as if it were in your vehicle running. That gives you the true test results. At the end of every test, a report is generated by part and serial number showing the results of each phase of the test. The report is reviewed by the technician. If any aspect has failed, the transmission is returned to the proper production cell to fix the fail. Once the problem is identified and fixed, the full dynamometer test is repeated on the transmission. After confirming the transmission meets or exceeds OEM specifications by passing every phase of the test, it's drained of fluids and sealed. Electrical contacts are treated with dielectric grease, and the transmission is palletized on one of our custom fabricated pallets. It's then shrink wrapped for ultra protection during storage and transit. At TransAxle, with our comprehensive testing, you can rest assured that we are supplying you with a top quality transmission. Combined with our nationwide warranty coverage and available extended warranties, you'll have a problem-free experience for years to come. We hope you enjoyed our latest video and have gained more insight as to why TransAxle should be your preferred supplier. Thank you for your time and your business.